Yeehaw! Driverless trucks invade Texas. Hold on to your Stetsons, folks. Texas, the land of big trucks and wide open spaces, just got even bigger and a little less driven. Self-driving trucks are here, and they're ready to roll. That's right. A company called Aurora has unleashed its driverless big rigs on Texas highways. They're hauling goods between Dallas and Houston without a single human hand on the wheel, or foot on the gas, or eyes on the road. You get the picture. This isn't some futuristic fantasy anymore. These robo-trucks are real, and they're here to shake things up. They're powered by something called the Aurora driver, which sounds like the name of a country music legend. But it's actually a super sophisticated self-driving system. It's been tested for over 1 million miles, which is like driving around the Earth 40 times. Partnering up for a wild ride. Aurora isn't going solo in this Texas two-step. They've partnered up with some big names in logistics, Uber Freight and Hirschbach Motor Lines. You know, the companies that make sure your online orders actually arrive at your doorstep. Well, now they're teaming up with robots to make those deliveries even faster and more efficient. It's a match made in high-tech heaven, or should we say, high-tech highway. Robots behind the wheel. But don't worry, they're good. Now you might be thinking, robots driving trucks? That sounds like a recipe for disaster. But hold your horses, partner. These aren't your grandpa's robots. The Aurora driver is packed with more sensors than a Texas barbecue cook-off. We're talking cameras, radar, lidar, the whole shebang. It can see everything, even in the dark. And it can react way faster than any human driver. Plus, it never gets tired, distracted, or hungry for roadside diner food. So, in a lot of ways, these robot truckers might actually be safer than us humans. Section 4. Truckers trading. 10-gallon hats for thinking caps? Of course, not everyone's thrilled about these self-driving semis. Some truck drivers are worried about losing their jobs to robots. But hey, maybe it's time for a career change. Instead of hauling freight, these truckers could become robot wrangler consultants, teaching those self-driving systems a thing or two about navigating Texas highways. Or maybe they could open up roadside diners, catering specifically to robot truckers. After all, even robots need a place to recharge. And maybe enjoy a plate of virtual chili cheese fries. Section 5. Safety first, but hold on to your cowboy hats. Safety is a big deal when it comes to self-driving anything, especially 18-wheelers. Aurora knows that. And they've been working closely with the government to make sure these robot truckers are playing by the rules of the road. They've even briefed the National Transportation Safety Board, which is like the hall monitor of transportation. But still, seeing a giant truck barreling down the highway with nobody behind the wheel is bound to turn some heads. So, if you're driving through Texas and a driverless truck passes you, just remember to keep your cool, wave howdy, and maybe snap a picture for Instagram. Just don't get too close. Those robots are focused on the road, not your selfie game. Don't forget to like and subscribe.